Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your NVIDIA graphics card driver in Windows 11 here. So how to download and install your NVIDIA graphics driver. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics driver, you will automatically have a GeForce Experience application here. If some reason, if you don't have it, you just need to go to your browser, Google Chrome browser, and search for GeForce Experience and click on this nvidia.com GeForce Experience and download the app from here. After downloading, you just need to simply install it. And after installing it, you just need to go to search bar and search for NVIDIA here. If you search for NVIDIA, which will show you that GeForce Experience or NVIDIA control panel, but you need to open the GeForce Experience to update your graphics driver. And it will open your GeForce Experience application here. You may need to log in with a Gmail account like this. After logging with the Gmail account, you just need to go to the drivers option here, click on drivers. And here you will find the latest graphics driver or the update graphics driver for NVIDIA. I have already installed a GeForce graphics driver here. And if you don't have an update here, you just need to click for check for updates. And I have an update GeForce Game Ready driver, which you just need to click on download. And it will start to download the latest driver of your GeForce graphics driver here. So that's it guys, this is how you download, and after finishing the download, it will automatically install in your PC and this will update your graphics driver. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.